Welcome back to another Weather in Kansas video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the thunderstorm potential for Thursday, June 9th. This is a radar image as of right now, so it is 7:17 a.m. and we see we have some storms up here over by Phillipsburg, just north of Colby. So let's go ahead and get into the forecast. Go to our rain and thunder model here, which shows pretty accurate. There's some thunderstorms going on up there and a little bit of rain. If we move this forward to 9 a.m., this one updates in 3-hour segments. You see we can get starting to have a line of storms develop from down by Dodge City all the way up to Colby, starting to get into haze. Move this forward a little more to around 1 or 2. We still got storms and haze. Got some heavy rain potential down here east of Dodge, about just 3/4 of an inch in a 3-hour span down there. As you can see down here, we still have some flood warnings going on, so that may affect that area, although I'm pretty sure the flood warnings mainly over here by Ulysses and over here by Emporia. They'll be getting some rain later, but you guys down over here by Ulysses probably don't have to worry about any more large amounts of rainfall just yet. If we move this forward again, there is some chance of storms down here. This mainly dies out as we get into the evening, but then it'll recycle as we get closer to 10 o'clock. We'll have some more storms up here in the northwest, and a line of storms spanning the entire state from a little past Concordia all the way down here to Eureka. So we push this forward again to about midnight. Heavy storms down here by Emporia, Eureka, spanning all the way up to about Hayes, Phillipsburg, Pratt, all the way back to there. If we take a look at the rainfall here, this is about a little over an inch in a 3-hour span here. We'll go into Friday morning and see this is about 6 a.m. on Friday actually. Mainly moved out of the state, still some here in the southeast corner of the state, but pretty much by then most of the state's going to be dry. If we go up here and look at our thunderstorm model, it shows the predicted amount of lightning strikes in a given area. Again, as of right now, this is looking pretty accurate to what's going on the radar. Push this forward, pretty much the same story. Around from 9 to about 1, we're going to see some storms here in haze. Yeah, pretty much the exact same story as the rain and thunder model. If we go over here to the CAPE index, and I'll move this to the a little more accurate model. This is at 8 a.m., so right about now. Not a whole lot of energy in the state, but as we move forward to about 1 o'clock, we start seeing this wave of potential energy moving in. And that kind of follows the line of storms as well. And this is where we get our severe potential, is this energy here. So again, this is at Friday morning. It starts to recycle again. So this is why we think that some of these storms could potentially cause some damage. I know there's a good chance of large hail, gusting winds, and a couple tornadoes in the state. So thank you guys for watching this weather update, and I'll keep you updated if anything else develops.